In this video, I will guide you how you can connect TapSwap to Solana wallet. Now, in order to do this, you're just gonna need to open up your TapSwap and make sure to open up your TapSwap application. And once you have opened it up, the next step is you're gonna need to click on the coins on the top of your screen. Now, once you click there, you will have the option of X2 feature. Now, this feature allows you to connect your wallet to certain other applications like Tone Wallet, Solana Wallet, or Telegram. Now, once you have that particular option, you're just gonna need to click on it, and the further process is pretty much basic. But if you don't have that option, that means you need to make sure to have the updated version. In my opinion, updating and reporting the problem will not gonna fix your issue, as it might not be available in your country. So most people don't have the X2 option, that is for connecting your wallet. So it might be due to some temporary glitches or some network issues, but it is getting common every day, so I think it's a worldwide issue. So you need to make sure to wait for the feature to come out for all the users, and then you might be able to connect your Solana wallet to your TapSwap. So hope this helped. This is how you can connect your TapSwap to your Solana wallet.